This is my orange cranberry sauce. This is a classic cranberry sauce you can use to pour over your turkey for the holidays, or you can add it to the top of a pumpkin cheesecake. And one of my favorite things to do is to add them to a brie bite. It's like this little mini appetizer with puff pastry. I will show you how to make it step by step. It's so easy to make, and best of all, you can make it ahead. For the ingredients, we have some cranberries, and this is just 12 ounces of fresh cranberries. You can usually get these in your grocery store in November, but I do like to have just a couple extra bags on hand, and they freeze great. So grab a couple extra if they come to your grocery store. And then I have one orange, and I am going to use this for zest for my cranberry sauce, and then you can also juice this to get 1/3 of a cup of juice. And then I have my sugar here. So this is really such a simple recipe. We have the cranberries, the orange, some sugar, and then of course we have a little bit of water too. So I'm just going to go ahead and turn my stove on here, and you can just turn that on to about medium heat. And then into a medium saucepan, I'm going to add my cranberries, and I'm using fresh today, but again, frozen works great. I am adding my sugar and my orange zest, and this orange zest just gives it so much flavor. It is so delicious. And then my orange juice and my water. Now this recipe, you can just set it on the stove, and I'm going to let it come up to heat. I will stir it to just make sure there aren't any big clumps of sugar there in the bottom. I don't want it to scorch, but you don't have to stir it constantly, just stir it occasionally every minute or so. And then we're going to boil it for about 8 minutes. And what we're looking for here is we want the cranberries to cook and then just burst a little bit. They aren't hard or big or round. We want it to be like kind of a mushy cranberry, and it makes like this jelly type mixture when it's all cooked and then cooled. After it's cool, you could just put it into a Tupperware container. That works great. This can also be frozen, and I love to freeze it if I have any leftovers and then just bring it out for any appetizer recipes or to put it on a roll. I mean, it's so fantastic. This cranberry orange sauce puts any store-bought cranberry sauce to shame. This is a classic cranberry sauce you can use to pour over your turkey for the holidays, or you can add it to the top of a pumpkin cheesecake. And one of my favorite things to do is to add them to a brie bite. It's like this little mini appetizer with puff pastry. Thank you so much for watching this episode at the Carefree Kitchen. Be sure to like, subscribe, and follow me here, and I will show you all kinds of fun and easy recipes that your family will love. I really hope you enjoyed this cranberry sauce. It is so perfect for the holidays, and I hope it becomes one of your family traditions too. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.